Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Bluetooth on Amazon Kindle 11th generation. And to do this you'll need to click on these three dots to open up the settings. Here go for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and enable or disable Bluetooth with this switch right here. If it's enabled, you'll be able to see all Bluetooth devices. And now the other way to do it is to scroll down your toolbar like this, and right here on the top you should be able to see the Bluetooth and you can turn it on or off. And now let's try holding our finger onto the setting and see if we can open it quickly, but it doesn't work on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.